Welcome to Bodoland Research. Today we have a social worker and a great leader in this video. He was elected to the Lok Sabha Indian Parliament 4 times consecutively, 1957 to 1977, from Kokrajhar constituency. I hope you will enjoy the story and appreciate the contribution of this great leader to the society. Shri Dharanidhar Basumata was born in 1914 at village Delagan, under Golpara district during British era. He studied in Cotton College, Gauhati, Rangpur College, Rangpur City under Calcutta University. However, he could not complete the studies as he was imprisoned for taking part in the 1942 national movement, a part of Indian freedom movement. He was a fighter. He was a member of Gauhati Local Board, 1945 to 50, Legislative Assembly, Assam, 1946 to 57, Constituent Assembly, 1946 to 52, and State Development Committee, Assam, 1952 to 56 at the state level. Member of Advisory Committee for Community Development Project, 1952 to 57. Secretary of Congress Party, Legislative Assembly, Assam, 1953 to 55. Member of Working Committee, Assam PCC and DCC, Gauhati. He also established panchayats and schools, dispensaries and cooperative societies in the tribal areas. Rare moments. I hope you will enjoy this moment. Very, very rare. The first aeroplane lands in Kokrajhar, now Borjhar, airport with Gopinath Bordoloi on board. Omeo Kumar Das, Rohini Kumar Chowdhury, J. Nichols Roy, Dharanidhar Basumata and Puspalata Das also seen in the picture. Thanks for watching. Kuchunthung.